Well, welcome back, everybody. So there was some really nice long side trading here at some point today. Let's talk about that a little bit because these are really great learning opportunities. So on a daily basis, this market is still in a major downtrend. In fact, we got stalled out at the speed lines today. We've had the really nice, push to the downside. You recall I shared with the weekend video here how we came back up to the neckline and just kind of rolled over, hit that, rolled over, especially with the downtrending channel here, all this converging. So down the hatch it went. So net still bearish. There's a lot of resistance, up above here. We got this area now. We got all this coming down on top of us, the neckline itself. Lots of resistance, but that doesn't mean there's not going to be individual opportunities, especially if, like, for us intraday traders, we have the hourly chart sitting here more bullish, and today you can see we are on the north side of the channel for the much of the day, leading to opportunities very early on. In fact, I found myself just kind of sporadically trading, throughout the day here. Right off the U.S. Open there was a good run for about 30 minutes this morning, full of opportunities. Then from there, we had it was around the 12:30, time frame there, 12:15, 12:30 till 1 o'clock Central Time. In that area, there were some really great opportunities here using the different strategies that I always teach you here. And then, as we, like for instance, just to kind of back up there for a moment, with like the Pro RTs, acceleration alerts, rapid trade identifiers, dual momentums, throttling, which means even after a pullback, we're expecting higher highs, right? All sorts of different things kind of taking place there very strongly. And then here, even after that, going into a little bit later in the afternoon, more signals kind of firing off, leading to some additional trading. So from my perspective, the way I was focusing on this, because we are on the north side of that hourly channel here today, I was looking at the long side trades. As long as we hadn't quite hit the resistance yet, every time we came up to that falling daily resistance, then I went in and I just backed off. That was the right thing to do here. Same thing with Ziad in the trading room today. He was focusing on the trades that he did, which was really great, focusing on the long side here as well with some of those important signals as he was kind of showing. And he did some real good trading there. I think he grossed $600 plus or so thereabouts. Don't quote me on the exact number, but did a good job of trading in front of the live audience there today in the live trading room. So just a lot of really great stuff using the ITP tools and the strategies there. And so right now, whether you're a day trader, like I was focusing on day trading with this today, but there's a lot going on from a swing trading perspective as well. So lots to go ahead and cover with you. What's hot, what's not on the swing trade side here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and cover all of this here Wednesday morning. I haven't done this class in approximately 6 months. And so make sure you go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, because I'm having a phenomenal year. I just did a bunch more trading today, and I want to show you what I'm doing here, what I'm focusing on, because this is so important, and it's going to be even more important in the coming months here, going into the new 2024, the election year. There's going to be so much volatility, so many things happening with what's going on around the world right now. You need to be prepared, because there's going to be these incredible opportunities, whether you're a day trader or a swing trader, and even on the long-term investment side, there's some big opportunities here and themes that are happening in the market. So I want to cover a lot of those with you. So go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Let's look at these strategies together and how I'm trading them in closer detail here Wednesday morning. Okay, so we'll see you Wednesday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 Central, 7 a.m. Pacific. And you do not want to miss that. I'll see you there on Wednesday morning. Take care, everyone. BecomeABetterTrader.com/go. Bye-bye for now.